about how to install the nylon dispenser from IKEA. Now when you receive it from IKEA, or when it comes directly from IKEA, it comes as a flat piece like this, you know, with instructions down here on how you can make it into this form, which is what you then install on your wall. Now when you receive it from us, we would already have made it into this form for you, just to make it easier for you to install. So all you need to do is then install it on your wall. Now, just to show you how you would have installed it had you received it from IKEA, and that's just a simple step of putting these things into the holes that are there. And then clasping this part of it. And that's it. It's ready to be installed like this, with this, using these screw holes here, or using the adhesive part that is supplied by IKEA. So you peel this out, and then, you know, stick it onto your wall. But we feel that using the screws gives it a much firmer grasp on the wall. So let's get about fixing that on the wall. We'll install it on this part of the wall for demonstration's sake, and we'll put the holes here. And then just to make sure that it's hanging straight.